Hello, I'm Ashok Kumar, Head Department of Geology, Ganga Singh College, Chhapra, running under JP University, Chhapra, Saran, Bihar. Yesterday, I explained about the fishery of Krishna River. The Godavari, the Krishna River, the Kaveri, and the Mahanadi rivers empties themselves in Bay of Bengal, that is on the east coast of India, and hence it is a fishery of east coast river system. These rivers constitute the East Coast river system because they drain out into the Bay of Bengal on the eastern side of the eastern coast of India. Now, yesterday I had already explained about the Krishna River. Krishna River was Krishna River originates from the Brahmagiri hills on the western Ghats, and there are two tributaries, Bhima and Tungabhadra. Bhima is single, but Tungabhadra river is a twin of rivers, Tunga and Bhadra. So both are collectively called Tungabhadra. Hence two tributaries are there, and the different types of fisheries, mostly Libio-Fembria, the fish and fisheries which contributes a lot to the Krishna River are Libio-Fimbriatus, that is the most dominant species, besides other species Libio-Potael, Libio-Porcellus, and medium-sized Libio variety, Libio bata, Libio boga, Libio bogat, and Tor Kudri, Tor musalla, and the catfishes such as Bagarius, Mr. Seor, Mr. Singala. These are the species occurring in the rocky and stony shelters. Valago Attu is common. Sirina migla in the deltaic reach. It is Sirinus migla, and and some estuarine fishes like Mugil Persia, Pama, they are also found. But the most important is Hilsa Elisha, that is most relished fish, and it is very much landed in large amount during the monsoon floods. So that was about what I had already explained about the fisheries of Krishna River. Now I am going to switch on Kaveri River. Kaveri is the longest perennial river of South India or Peninsular India, which has its origin from the Western Ghats, which are 1340 meters, 1340 meters above the minimum sea level, MSL, minimum sea level. After flowing in southeasterly direction, in southeasterly direction, it empty into Thanjavur district. Thanjavur, Thanjavur, Thanjavur district, that is located in Tamil Nadu. There are three rivers, Bhavani, Noil and Amravati. These are the rivers which are the main tributary of Kaveri river. Kaveri, Bhavani, Noil and Amravati. These are the three rivers which are the tributary of Kaveri river, and the river flows on rocky bed in Coorg, and after forming falls at Shiv Samudram in Mysore, after making and after forming falls, natural falls at Shiv Samudram in Mysore, it enters in Tamil Nadu. So up to Shiv Samudram in Mysore, after that it enters into Tamil Nadu. So from Karnataka it originates, so it crosses Karnataka and Tamil Nadu. Hence it covers two states, Karnataka and Tamil Nadu, through which it flows. Now, fisheries of Kaveri. Fisheries of river Kaveri. The upland water of river Kaveri means higher level water. These have punctious, dubious. They are cold waters and have the species like Punctius, dubious, Acrosochilus hexagonolepis, that is called Acrosochilus hexagonolepis, that is called chocolate mahasir, Tor putitola, it is mahasir, Tor putitola, and Barbus carnaticus. These are found in the upland water. Now the carps. So carps are Labiocontius, Sirina cirrhosa, and then Labio variety, Labio erija, Labio rohita, Labiocontius, Labio rohita, erija, Labio rohita, Katla, Osteochilus brevidorsalis, Osteochilus brevidorsalis, and the second variety of Osteochilus, that is Osteochilus nasi. And then other variety of Labio, like Labiocontius, as I had already explained, that Labiocontius, Labio rohita, Labio erija, and then Labio potel and Labio porcellus, Labio potel and Labio porcellus, Tor khudri, Tor musulla, Sirhinus mirilla, and Cyprinus carpio. These are the major carps found which contribute the fishery of Kaveri river. From Labiocontius, Sirhinus cirrhosa, Labio erija, Labio rohita, Katla, Labio potel, Labio porcellus, Tor khurdi, Tormusalla, Sirinus murigla, and Cyprinus scarpio. These are the these are the commercially important carps which support the fishery of Kaveri river. Catfishes are Mistus Eor, Mistus Eor, Mistus Singhala, and Cylondia, and lastly Walago Atto. So Mistus Eor, Mistus Singhala, Mistus Cylondia, Walago Atto, these are the catfishes which support the fishery of Kaveri river. Morels, different types of channa species such as channa punctatus, channa maraulius, channa gatua, channa. So these are the different some occasional occurrence morels and featherbacks. Among morels and featherbacks, channa species are found. Further, the fisheries of Kaveri has been affected by construction of Mettur Dam. Mettur Dam is meant for different purposes. The water of the dam, that is it draws the water of river Kaveri, and the requirement of dam is fulfilled. So Mettur Dam is Mettur Dam, and further by industrial waste discharge from Mettur Chemical and Industrial Corporation Limited. Mettur Chemical and Industrial Corporation Limited. They manufacture, they produce bleaching powder, CaOCl2, chlorine, fertilizer, and this due to the presence of the water of this the presence of bleaching powder in the water so many fishes have been found killed, and it is about the Kaveri river. It is about the situation of the Kaveri river in East Coast river system. So first was Krishna, Kaveri, and now Mahanadi river. So Damodar, first was Damodar, then Krishna, then Kaveri, and now fourth is Mahanadi river. As we know, Mahanadi means very large river. Maha means great. This Mahanadi is the longest, is the greatest, is the longest river or largest river. Its length is 857 kilometers and of Orissa, and it is the only source of fish and fish seeds, natural fish seeds. So it is the only river which provides fish in Orissa, or which this river contributes to the Indian fisheries. This river originates from the Sihava mountainous range in Chhattisgarh, in Dhamtari district of Chhattisgarh. In Sihava Sihaba mountainous range in Dhamtari district of Chhattisgarh. There it originates from that place at Chhattisgarh, and the river enters in Odisha at Naraj. From there it flows and comes on the downside. It flows and comes, and at Naraj, when it comes and at Naraj, that is 11 kilometers from Cuttack. So before it enters at Naraj in Odisha, which is 11 kilometers from Cuttack. The place Naraj in Odisha is the entry Naraj is 11 kilometers from Cuttack. The river harbors 99 species, but mainly hill stream fishes from its origin Sihaba mountainous range in Chhattisgarh. There is also that is cold water. So Tor Mojal variety of Mahasir, Tor Mojal, where the name has been given on the Mahanadi, Tor Mojal var Mahanadikas, Labiopimbriatus and Rita. Labiopimbriatus and Rita species, Rita pigmentata. These are the species, and the river out of 99, the commercially important are Tor Mojal, or Tor Mojal var Mahanadikas, Labiopimbriatus and Rita pigmentata. These are the fishes found which supports the fishery of Mahanadi. There are the tributaries are the most. There are 5 tributaries: River Ib, River Bhargav, River Bhargav, River Daya, and river Brahmani, and river Subarnrekha. These 5 rivers, River Ib, River Bhargav, River Daya, River Subarnrekha, River Brahmani. These are the 5 important tributaries of. Now the serious problem is the indiscriminate discharge of waste. From Orient Paper Mills. Orient Paper Mill is located at Bridge Rajnagar, at the bank of River Ib. Orient Paper Mill, the waste of the Orient Paper Mill, that is indiscriminately, this waste is discharged into the discharged into the waters of the River Ib, which has posed a very serious problem of pollution in River Ib, and so it should be. It is a problem, and hence it's out of 99 varieties. This out of 99 varieties, the commercially important fishes are Tor Mojal or Tor Mahanadikas, Rita species, Rita pigmentata, or and Labiopimbriatus. These are the commercially important species, and it contributes the fisheries of Mahanadi river. And this is all about the East Coast River. So four rivers. Damodar River, first is Damodar River, second is Krishna River, third is Kaveri River, and fourth is Mahanadi River. The four rivers come under the East Coast River system, and the fisheries and the fishery of these rivers found they contribute a lot to the East Coast River system. Thank you.